Welcome back to your YouTube channel.
Today we're in Universal Studios, and we're then.
Today we're doing something different. Rather than come over here early in the morning, we decided to come here late in the afternoon. It's about 6 o'clock. Park closes at 9 o'clock. It's a Sunday, and guess what?
What?
It is raining. So if you're getting ready to come here during the summer, welcome to Florida, as it's gonna be raining every single afternoon. So here's the question: is it worth it to stay in the park when it rains?
Why not?
We're gonna show it to you. That's why you got us over here. We got it for you. We got you covered, guys. So anyways, if you're brand new around here, welcome to Cool Case Adventure. And our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Universal Studios or any theme park here in Central Florida. But anyways, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it! And here we go, guys. So if you're watching your screens right now, you're gonna see a whole bunch of people currently leaving, and only a few ones actually entering the park. And this is what we're gonna find out right now. Is it worth it? You know, obviously, if the rides are in operation, is it worth it to leave? Are you gonna be part of that crowd, or would you be able to enjoy your theme park when it's raining? So anyways, we're gonna head down there right now. All right, family, we're inside the park.
Yes.
Which way should we go in? Should we go that way, or should we go? You tell me.
Straight.
We're gonna go straight. We're gonna do what the majority of people will do.
Yes.
Well, we're going completely the opposite way of what everybody else is doing right now.
Okay, so let's take it from there. So if you happen to be here in the main entrance of the park, you notice Despicable Me Minion Mayhem. So it's slammed, but not this time, guys. A 35-minute wait. This is what you get. 35 minutes to go to Despicable Me. And here at Trek 4D, right across from Despicable Me Mayhem, if you've never been here, look what it is. 15 minutes right now. Again, it's 6 o'clock after it had rained. People are leaving. So we're just giving you ideas of what to do, when to come, and all that. Maybe this will work out for you guys, maybe. Now guys, I am not gonna lie to you. The only disadvantage that I see when it rains is that the major roller coasters, like this one, Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket, when it's bad weather, they shut it down. And that goes for rides like Hagrid's, the Hulk, things like that. So if you are into roller coaster, maybe, just maybe, this might not be the best time for you to come to the park. But if you don't care about roller coasters
and you want to maybe do some small rides that are indoors, it's definitely the time to come.
All right, there you go. Let's keep checking them out. So just in case you were wondering, this is how a rainy day looks at Universal Studios.
Perfect time to come.
That's it. So unless you come here for a roller coaster, that's what me and Kala were talking about.
But especially if you're staying in one of the resorts, if it starts raining really bad, go back to the resort, and as soon as it lights up, come back.
Perfect. And then over here, Jimmy Fallon, if I wasn't mistaken, the app said 5 minutes.
Yeah, so it's pretty much a walk-in.
Actually, right over here, check this out. It says it right there. 5-minute wait, right there. Jimmy Fallon. Can't get better than that. So currently, the Mummy is open. And what's the wait time?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. It doesn't.
Like a walk-in.
That looks like a walk-on. It doesn't look like 30 minutes. If you ask for our personal opinion as people that are experienced to come over here at least twice a week, that's not a 30-minute wait. Transformer, the ride 3D. How long is this over there, Kyla?
40 minutes.
40 minutes. Is that a 40-minute wait? I'll say like
40 minutes.
It's easily a good 25 minutes right there.
It'll become a 40 minutes.
It will become a 40 minutes, exactly. Because it's raining, everybody's rushing in to just find shelter. So that's why the only reason why it will be 40 minutes. Still not bad. Still not as bad as compared to what we've seen before.
Yeah.
But there you go. That gives you an idea too. Now, Kyla, it's the summer. we can fully prepare with an umbrella.
Lucky umbrella.
Because it is summertime and we know it's gonna rain here every single day for the most part.
Yep.
So be ready if you're gonna come here in June or July. But in the meantime, let's check if Fast and the Furious Supercharged is actually full.
How much do you think it is?
I'll say 15-20 minutes.
I'm gonna say 30 because a lot of people are going in there.
True, if they want to find some shelter, yes, probably 30. Well, let's see. All right, Kyla's having a problem now. What's your problem, Kyla?
I'm mad. Dad got closer and
Exactly. The waiting time is currently 15 minutes as the time of recording. 15 minutes. Now, if you do the single rider, it's 5 minutes, but right now, 15 minutes, not a bad deal. All right, one thing for sure, guys. Rain or shine, this area is always busy. So I'm wondering what Escape from Gringotts is gonna be, right?
yeah, I'm wondering.
We're right in front of Escape from Gringotts right now. And as expected, it's 55 minutes. And the reason being, obviously it's a popular ride, number one. Number two, you know, it's raining. So
And
why?
people are smart.
Yeah, so why not look for shelter while it's raining? And chances also are, because a lot of people left, right, Kyla?
Yeah.
Most likely this ride dropped
Yeah.
in white time.
And it was raining harder. So if
Exactly.
this is low for like drizzling, imagine when it's like
Right, so maybe a lot of people were like, oh, wait a second, it's like 15-20 minutes, let's go. Because I was checking on the app, and I want to say I saw it at 15 or 20 minutes earlier.
there, and then it started raining. So everyone
And it started raining
wanted
harder now, so now they're looking for shelter. So, again, still not bad, you know?
Not that bad for the summer.
No.
No.
What's up, family? So this is a good time to remind you, if you made it this far in this video, if we're sharing any valuable content, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're brand new around here, consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this one, where we continue to take you all over theme parks and recommending things for you and the family to do.
Even if it's super hot or if it's raining.
Yeah, raining or hot, we are here for you guys, and we're here to recommend what is best for you. So when you come over here, you have a blast. So anyway, do it right now, consider doing it. All right, guys, so we're currently in front of Men in Black, and right now they're actually down, but it's not because of the rain.
No.
Now, Kyla, that makes sense as of why probably Gringotts got a little bit busier too.
That's true. Because when it rains, typically this one goes up.
Yeah, this one's still open if it rains. This one's still open. So the thing is that apparently they have some technical difficulties, so
But
that's
they
why.
said it will be open soon, so no need to
There you go,
worry.
but I could guarantee you would have been like a good 10 to 15 minutes.
Yep.
We're here in front of one of the kids' favorite ride. Kaleo, how long is it right now?
It is 25 minutes.
25 minutes. Is that a bad wait?
No, not at all. But it's kind of close to the normal wait.
Well, normal will be about 40-45 minutes. So
Or 35.
also, if you're interested on this ride, twirl and hurl, I mean, the kids don't mind riding it, you know, they're okay riding it all the time. But currently the wait is 20 minutes. It actually went up from 10 to 25 actually. So now we actually made it to ET Adventure, in front of ET Adventure. Carla, how long is it?
15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yes.
Why are you doing it like that?
Because I thought it was going to be more. Like
Yeah,
25.
15 minutes. Now, do you remember how I called it, how people call this ride? You haven't been paying attention to our own video, have you? The oldest ride
in the theme park.
in Universal Studios. Now interesting fact, when I say the oldest one,
This was the
how long has this
original.
been open?
The original. when
This
it
is the
opened,
only
like
original ride that is open, but for how long?
25.
Yeah, good guess. This ride has been open as of a few weeks ago, 31 years. 31 years.
Wasn't even close.
Yes, the park opened on June 7th of 1990. Yes.
You guys
So,
almost have the same.
31 years. This ride is the only original ride open here at Universal Studios Orlando. And I still love this ride no matter what.
Hopefully
I
they
still
never
love this
close.
ride. So right now it's only 15 minutes. Usually when it's busy, it's like about what, 45?
Yeah,
Sometimes, yeah. So
for an old ride, it's still kicking.
look at the amount of brave souls that's still in the park. Either they're still in the park or they did just like us. They came late, you know, to enjoy the theme park. That's one of the advantages also. If you're either staying in property or also local, but still not bad. See, the rain has come and go, which is typical Florida. So if you're around and you see it come and go, stick around for a little bit. I mean, find some shelter until it just goes away, and then continue to enjoy.
Oh, we're back.
All right, guys, there you have it. A quick trip here to Universal Studio. We hope we were able to give you some ideas about what truly goes on when it's raining in here. Because
It's every day.
it's every day.
Summer.
Every day in summer. That's exactly what's going to happen. So just because it's raining, do not run away. You just never know. You just never know what's going to happen and what other things can you ride. Because I'll be honest with you, according to everything that we've seen out there so far, the park, like I mentioned when we first started, the park closes at 9 o'clock, and it was about 6 o'clock when we came in. Chances are we wouldn't be able to do every single ride before 9 o'clock.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Something that you will not be able to do opening the park.
Plus it's a lot cooler now.
Exactly. And guess what? We didn't even need the express pass tickets
I don't know.
at all, because with those wait time, we wouldn't be able to be very successful.
Save the money.
Save the money, exactly. But anyway, we hope we were able to help you. Thank you for joining us in this crazy adventure. We love you guys, and that's what we want to remind everybody too.
Subscribe.
And smash the like button and turn on that bell for notifications.
Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Post your number 2.
Smile out, be great.
Be cool.
And stay awesome. See you guys next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom. Boom.
Boom. See ya.